Hear that? It's an all ice event. Getting ice over here in Ohio, so some parts of Ohio, they're getting hammered with snow. I know we're supposed to get it this afternoon, but right now it's been icing for probably the last 3-4 hours. I know some states are getting tore up. Indiana, Illinois, Oklahoma, Texas. This storm is just huge storm. But yeah, that's what's happening right here in my neck of the woods over here in Little Nashport, Ohio. Sitting out here in the shed, smoking the Founders Connecticut Churchill. Got the heater running. Got that, which I'm not a huge fan. Of course, everywhere I go, I got my Smoking Moses razor cutter. And my Warfighter R60 Rock. Hell of a case, man. Probably, in my opinion, that's got to be the best case on the market. Keep your cigars in, some accessories, whatever. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Sitting out here smoking cigar, looking out the window at the traffic slip sliding going by. But you know what? It's winter time. You gotta expect shit like this. Only thing is, I don't really care for the ice, because then you got power outages and whatever. But yeah. So if it's snowing and icing in your neck of the woods, smoke a cigar, kick back, relax. It's basically about all you can do. So, hey, if you got something crazy going on with the weather in your neck of the woods, make a video. But, yeah, just want to give a real quick shout out to Founders Cigar. And it's a veteran-owned company up in, I believe, Wisconsin or Minnesota. But, yeah, that Connecticut, that's awesome. That's a good cigar. So, stay safe. Stay indoors if you don't have to go out. And, hey, grab a couple cigars, kick back, relax, smoke a cigar, and we'll talk to you soon.